It's something that it's growing. It's natural. I don't know where it's coming from. I need nature to live. My name is Regi Domingo. I wake up every day for sunrise and I see most of the sunsets. I am completely infatuated with the wildlife. I devote my life to conservation. When I had the realization that I had the power to talk on a different tone and try to start a new model of ecotourism and conservation. I'm located in Baja California, Sur, in Loreto. For me, was the place that I felt this is home. To one side, a massive mountain range full of canyons, oases, water going through the veins of a desert. But on the other side, surrounded by an incredible young ocean that is full of biodiversity. And a place that I know that I'm gonna die in trying to protect it. This camera trap has been here 8 days now. Mountain lions rule these mountains, and we need them as we need sharks in the ocean. So I think we are changing the perspective, slowly but smoothly, making sure they understand how important they are, and they're also now curious. So yeah, I'm gonna start backing up all this footage. And one day when we got a female mountain lion just in this canyon, drinking in the water, and then suddenly, the very first day that I came into this ranch, I had a map and no signal in my phone. I have a mission, I need to find this animal. And I ended up meeting Leone. The parents of Leone are not pumas, are humans that rescue her after her mother being killed a long time ago by another rancher. I think that this need of taking care of everything comes from a moment in my life when I literally grew up by myself without a mother. My mother left us. Of course, I was missing a female figure in my life. I learned how to survive into this life, finding love in other things. I find that there was this internal voice inside of me saying, Regi, do what you need to do. Go where you want to go. Do it for yourself. This spore, this flame just started burning. And I didn't stop since that moment. When I get to the water, something switched in my brain, and I'm just there. In that specific moment, I'm there. Seeing some of the locals targeting endangered species in order to survive, it's a very hard thing to deal with. I need to behave in front of them. I need to understand that this is how they live, this is what they learn, this is how they eat. The way I try to deal with it is to make them fall in love with the species. It's getting them out there and hopefully giving them a new perspective of the oceans as they saw them all their lives. Conservation, it's a monumental task. It requires to integrate yourself into this community, the nature of the people and the nature of the biodiversity around it. You need to belong to the place to try to understand what's happening in order to do something about it. a lot of things need to change. And it's not about my feelings. It's not about the feelings of the animal. It's about survival of a species, that in this case it's humans. We need to understand what's happening deeper, better, every day. Get out there, see it with your own eyes, and find solutions. Right now. Bringing people to these places, it's a risk. At the same time, we can make a difference without people, without gaining engagement. I'm calling everyone to come explore with us, to come feel, the communities, the animals, the ecosystems in this land of contrast and explosion of colors. When nature pops in front of you, when nature talks in front of you, when nature shows up, it's mind-blowing. It's something that we still, as humans, I don't think, understand and probably will never understand. There's no background motivations. Nature do not have an agenda like we do, but if you show up enough times, nature will reward you with a lot of moments.